I will be teaching you how to use this app, how to tap in or mining. I'm very sure you guys must have been hearing this thing since last week, if I guess right. Yes, me too, I'm tapping. You too, you need to tap. This is an opportunity for you to earn in dollars. So that's what I'll be teaching you in this video. Step by step, I will guide you how to be able to tap. Then the second thing I'll be teaching you is how to auto tap, how to use auto tapping or auto clicker. You don't need to stress yourself. Yes, I'll be teaching you that. Instead of you using your hand, click, 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 it will take much of your time. You cannot be tapping and be doing another thing. So but if you watch this video to the end, you will be learning how to tap without stressing yourself, how to use auto clicker without stressing yourself. All you have to do is to just set it there, keep your phone one side, and it will be doing the work for you. Yes, and it is very simple. Just make sure you watch this video to the end, and please help me to share this video. Share. Let others also benefit from it. Now let's go to the screen. Alright guys, so you go to your Play Store. When you go to Play Store, you are going to download Telegram. If you doesn't have it on your phone, you type Telegram, you install it. Yes, like this. For those that doesn't have Telegram on their phone, because the typing or the mining, it is done on Telegram. So when you type Telegram like this, you install it to your phone. Okay, when you install it, will bring you to your contact list like this. This is Telegram now. It will bring you here like this. All your contact will be here. So the next thing is to go back to my Facebook. This is my page, guys. If you haven't followed my page, kindly follow. So you go to my page and search for this my post where I drop the link. This is the post. Yes, so click on the comment section for the link. Yes, when you click on the comment section, it will open like this. Then you click on the link. When you click on your link, it will automatically take you to your Telegram. Yes, and this is this. So you are on Telegram now. The next is to click on Start Now. Yes, click on Start Now, then you wait for it to come up. For those that have Telegram before, you just click on the link. So this is it. This is where to be typing or mining. Can you see? We have 500 or 500. So is this coin that you will be typing. Now let's tap it and see with your finger. See, as I'm tapping it with my one finger, it is showing this +1 +1. This is exactly where you will be tapping, where the one is showing up. So now I'm tapping with two fingers. That is why you are seeing it coming up at the both side. Yes, because I'm tapping with two fingers. You can see I'm tapping with two fingers. Now let's try another method. Now I'm typing with all my five fingers on it. Yes, your five fingers on it. That's what I'm doing. I'm placing it all my five fingers, and you can see how fast it is. You can see, so as you are pressing, you are tapping it, it will be coming up. This is all my five fingers. So I would advise you to use your five finger instead of using just one. Most people doesn't know this. They are just using just one finger. You can actually use the five fingers. So now let's go to the auto tap. This one will be automatically typing it for you. You don't need to stress yourself. What you do is to go to your Play Store, come to this search bar at the Play Store, then you type auto clicker. Yes. Now let's type it. You go to your Play Store, you go to search bar and tap auto clicker, and this is it. You click on it. You can see we have different of it, but this is the one I use, this particular one. You click on it, then you will install it and wait for it to be installed. So now it has installed. You click on open. When you open it will bring you here. Yes. So the next thing is it will ask you to allow that, to give you permission. You know, when you first install app, now all those process, then you will enable it and give it access for your phone. Hope you guys are understand what I'm trying to say. So you click on this setting, then you go back to this place, to your phone. You go back to go and check the app that you just download, and this is it. This is the auto clicker that we just download. So you click on it like this. It will ask you to open, then you type on it to open. It's 2 times you type it so that it will come up on the screen. So when you open it, it will come up like this. Then you will enable. When you enable, it will come like this, and this is what will do the work. This blue thing, this blue white thing, let me circle it for you to see. This blue thing, that is what will do the work. So the next now is to scroll to go back to your Telegram, to this your typing. This is it. We are on it now. So now what you do now, you can see that this auto clicker is on the screen. You just use your hand. You can see this is it. You just use your hand to drag it to where you wanted it to be tapped. Can you see it? I've dragged it to where it will be tapping. And now the next thing is to click on this setting sign rather. I want to point this setting. Can you see the one I'm pointing with red? Yes, you point that sign, that setting. When you point the setting, then you come to this place and put 100. Then you click on this save. When you save it, then you come back here. When you save it, will bring you here automatically. Then you click on play. I've already clicked on it. This is play. This blue sign. This play sign. Yes, this blue. You click on the blue. All right. So now let's play it and see the magic. Can you see? See the magic. See how fast it is. So imagine, this can never take your time. You can just play it down like this. Put your phone down and be doing whatsoever other thing you have to do. Then you'll be doing, and this will continue the work for you. You can see how easy it is. Alright guys, so you can check the comment section. The link is at the comment section. So if you haven't followed this page, kindly do and follow for more information like this. And please help me to share this video. Share to encourage me to do more for others to benefit. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.